Whatever your security needs, if you're looking for a local professional company that you can really rely on, Davis Security Limited are the company for you. Established in 1989, we've been providing bespoke domestic, commercial and industrial CCTV and security systems to customers in Swansea for the last 23 years. We offer a comprehensive design and installation service tailored exactly to your needs and budget, and excellent alarm maintenance contracts for ongoing peace of mind. Quality products, quality service. So call us today.